Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful rose, perfect for decorating gifts, hairbands or even your home. Whether you're a beginner or just a floss, this tutorial is super easy to follow. So grab your yarn and hook and let's start. For this I'm using apricot yarn. So let's start. I'm using a 3mm hook. Chain 60. We are done with 60 chains. Now skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into the 6th chain we need to double crochet. Now skip 2 chains, 1, 2 and double crochet in the 3rd chain. This is how it should look. Chain 3, double crochet into the same chain. Then again skip 2 chains and double crochet into the 3rd one. Chain 3, double crochet into the same, skip 2 chains and into the 3rd chain double crochet. Chain 3, double crochet into the same chain, skip 2 chains and double crochet into the 3rd, repeat the same pattern. Skip 2 and in the last chain double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet again into the last one. Now next step is chain 3, turn around and into this first space we need to have 6 double crochets into the first chain. So this acts as a first double crochet. Let's do the remaining 5. This is a total of 6 double crochets in the first chain, first space. Now into the second space we need to single crochet. Then next again 6 double crochets in the next space. Then again single crochet in the next space. First 2 spaces 6 double crochets, then into this third space, that is third V, here we need to have 8 double crochets. We are done with 8 double crochets over here. We need to continue with the same pattern until we reach the end. In these two we need to have 10 double crochets. Let's continue. Single crochet, now here we have reached the last second space. Into this is the last one and this is the last second space. Into this we need to have 10 double crochets each. Into this 10 and over here 10. Single crochet in this, single crochet in this space, and then this is the last one left, so 10 double crochets into this. Nine and 10. So we are done with this. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the point where we started. Either you can hot glue all the petals together or you can sew it using a needle. I have made a similar one in baby pink color. I'm going to use this as a hair band. I'm going to attach it with this band over here. For that, I have made a small patch using green color yarn. Okay, either you can fix it with a hot glue or you can sew it using a needle and thread or needle and yarn. I'm using green color thread. You can either decorate it with a bead or use it as it is. I prefer to use it as it is. Comment down below if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.